Hey traders, welcome back to Rev Daily Traders. This is a recap from our weekly outlook. We're going to update you on how the chart is behaving and what we expected. Did that happen or not? Okay, so we're going to share with you how you're going to look at your chart. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join our family, and do also share our videos and do like our videos also, okay, so that they can reach most of the traders. Okay guys, we're going to look at 4 hour. If it's possible, we're going to shift to 1 hour, okay, on how we look at the chart. Right, at the current state, remember we got this impulse, then we got this 1, 2, 3. We're expecting the price to come and take this top, okay. So the price didn't reach that top because we're expecting a smaller pullback here. There were short sales there, okay, on lower time frames that we took to come and expose this floor, then small up move, then a down move, okay. But that didn't happen so far. Then what next now after getting this down move? So this down move to make our buy invalid, okay, this buy that we were looking for at this zone. So now what next on gold? Do expect the price to push more down here, then we'll be expecting that up move, okay. That up move can depend if it's going to be a correction for us to come and take this floor, okay. If you see a correction there, do expect a drop, come and expose that floor. Then if we are still looking for buy, let this to come and expose, because we got this 1 touch, got this 2 touch, come and expose this floor, then look for impulse the correction, then an up move, okay. We can expose again or break that roof, okay guys. So 2 things that you're going to expect: a deeper correction here for the drop. This will make a 1, 2, 3, okay. We'll be expecting another pattern that we know, then we can look for that drop on gold, okay guys. So do trade with care on gold. Let's go to a 1 hour and see if there's a possible trade that we can take, or this is set up there, okay. We'll go close to 1 hour. So look at this to give you a katala here, then a pullback. If that pullback becomes a correction, then you can expect the price to break down, okay. So for now, you'll watch the price. If you are in sell from here, because we took the sell, then we took our profit here, for us to look for buy setups there, or any signal that we expect that we are using at Rev Daily Traders, okay. So we didn't get that buy setup from that zone, so the price did break there. So now after breaking this floor, we'll expect a correction here for us to take that drop, okay. Then we'll watch closely this trend line if it breaks, but we'll be expecting an up move there to come and take a 61 Fibonacci or the zone that we having there, okay. Then we'll see if we're getting that drop, come and test or break that floor. Then from there we'll be looking for up move again, okay guys. So do trade with care on gold. We'll go to our next pair, that will be silver. Right, on silver, let's go to a 4 hour time frame. Also on silver guys, if you remember, we were looking for our buy setups around that zone, okay. After breaking that floor, we're looking for our buy setup, okay. So we got the break-even trade here. Then if you are in sell, do manage your trade well. We're still expecting the price to push up again to make this a 1, 2, 3, okay? Then a down move, come and expose that flow. So on silver, guys, do trade with care. We'll be looking, if you are not in the sale, I'll advise you to look at 1 hour or 15 minutes to check your possible trades there, okay? So what we are having here, we're still having, we'll be looking how the market's going to behave here. If we're going to get that 3 wave structure, then a small drop, then we'll be looking for that buy, okay? We are looking for buys on silver, guys, okay? Even if the price can come and take that zone, still we'll be looking for our buy setup. The buy setup will be invalid if we get a bigger structure here, okay? That bigger structure will invalidate our buy setup, then we'll be looking for our drop, okay? But at the current state, we are not looking at this correction. We're expecting the price to push down here, then an up move again, okay? So do trade with care on silver. Right, on our next pair, that will be Euro USD. Right, on Euro USD, don't forget, guys, to subscribe to our channel, okay? If you find this interesting. So we'll be looking at 4-hour chart on Euro USD. Right, on Euro USD, we are having a running flag there that we spotted on our trading room today, okay? Right, we are having this impulse here. We have this structure, another impulse, we have another structure here. So this gives us a running flag, the pattern that we know very well, okay? So from here, the West sell setups that we took our buys, our TP here, because we are expecting the price to push up here, then a down move again, okay? So now for this running flag to play out, we'll be expecting a pullback here or a correction here, guys, okay? Then that correction will push us down to this zone. We are expecting that price to be exposed, okay, guys? So we'll be looking for our short positions on Euro USD. Right, let's go to in 1 hour and see if it's tradable. Right, on 1 hour, what we are having there, we are having a ending diagonal Katala, okay? This Katala, we're expecting it to push up here. We'll see if we're going to take again our 61 Fibonacci, then a drop again, okay? If this moves slowly, like this, like a correction, then we'll be expecting that drop to come and expose that flow, okay? So for you to, if you are looking for buy setups, then you'll be expecting this up move, then a bigger correction here for you to take the buy, okay? This can be APC structure move for you to take that down, okay, guys? So do trade with care on Euro USD. We'll go to our next pair, that will be pound dollar. Right, on pound dollar, go to 4-hour time frame and see how the market is unfolding on 4-hour time frame, okay? Right, on our weekly outlook, we're expecting the buy, expecting this buy to come there, okay? Or break up and expose that rule, okay? So now we got the market that makes the price to be invalid for buy, okay? So we broke already this flow. So what do you expect now? You'll be expecting a correction there, then another drop that will be coming soon, okay? So we'll be looking for our sell setups to go to that flow. So let's go to a 1-hour time frame and see how the market is going to give us a setup there, okay? Right, on 1 hour, we'll be watching closely how the market, because if you can see even our RSI, you can see that is overbought, okay? So now what we'll be expecting a pullback here, 61 Fibonacci of 50%, then look for another drop on pound dollar. So do trade with care on pound dollar, guys. Okay, then we'll go to our next pair, that will be NZD USD. Right, on NZD USD, we're expecting on our trading room, after seeing that the market, it broke the structure. Okay, then we got the retest there, then we drop there. Okay, so the market, after, we're expecting a pullback here for us to take that drop. So what next on NZD USD? Let's go to 4 hour on NZD USD. NZD USD, it can take a long time here. Okay, guys, we'll be expecting these to give us a bigger correction there. Okay, for us to continue downside. So we've got this impulse after this correction. Okay, we've got our A move here, this is our B move. We'll be expecting our C move there, come and expose that roof, then we'll be expecting the drop on NZD USD, guys. Okay, so what next now? Do expect any buy setups that you'll get from the market. Okay, if the market's going to give you a correction, 61 Fibonacci, then we'll be looking to break that floor. Okay, this floor, we'll be expecting to break that floor, then from there we'll be expecting this running flag to play out, then a drop again. Okay, by doing this, I will show you on the video that we promised you, that how to master your pattern, what to expect from the patterns. Okay, so two things that we'll be expecting on NZD USD: a correction here, come and break this floor, then we'll be expecting that pullback. Okay, that pullback will make a running flag pattern that we know that we can take that drop similar to this length of this impulse. Okay, so on lower time frame, 1 hour, to check the setups. Right, on 1 hour, what we are having here, we'll let the price, if you're not, because we took our TP here expecting a reversal from that zone. So from now, we'll be expecting the price to take or not take that floor, then give us a pullback there. Okay, that pullback should be a corrective structure. If you find this corrective, then you'll be looking for that drop to break this floor. Okay, then if you find this being aggressively give us a structure from this low, then we'll be expecting the price to push up, come and break this roof, even this roof. Okay, then after breaking that roof, then we'll be looking for our drops there. Okay, these are two patterns that we expect on NZD USD. Remember, we're expecting this APC or a running flag if we're going to break this floor, then a pullback, then a drop again. Okay, don't be lost. If you find this not tradable, there are any pairs that you can trade, guys. Okay, don't force trades that are not good. Okay, let's go to Aussie dollar. Right, on Aussie dollar, what we are expecting here on our trading view, trading room, we're expecting this to pull back, give us a correction there, then an up move. Okay, so we didn't get that. We saw that, okay, let's get this pullback, then a down move. This down move to come in, be exposed to that floor. Okay, we're expecting this demand to be exposed, then we'll be seeing a up move structure. So that up move structure will be expecting a correction, 1 2 3, then a down move again. Okay, that down move, it's similar to NZD USD. Let's go to a 4 hour time frame. and see how we are expecting this to play out. Okay, we'll be expecting this to play out, give us a deeper correction here, then a drop here. Okay guys, then if we find this, we'll expect a running flag pattern for us to continue downside on Aussie USD. Okay guys, then we'll update you if we reach that price on where the market is heading. Okay guys, so for now what you need to do is to wait for a deeper correction here, then a down move, come and break this floor and make a new floor there, then we'll be looking for that up move on Aussie dollar. So do trade with care on Aussie dollar. We'll go to our next pair, dollar yen. Right, on dollar yen, remember on our weekly outlook, if you watch carefully, we say this is going to give you a Katala pattern here. Okay, that Katala pattern will be our sign or a point that we see that the market is going to drop. Okay, that will be our strategy, guys. Okay, so this ending diagonal, we'll be expecting it to come in, take this floor. Okay, so after getting that floor, we'll see if we're getting a 1 2 3 here, then a drop and up move again. Okay, but pound here, dollar yen, we're expecting a bigger drop on, I'll show you on daily. Let's go to daily. We're expecting a drop on dollar yen, guys. Okay, we're expecting this price to come and take this floor. Okay, this floor, come and take this floor, give us a pullback, then a down move again on dollar yen. So there's much room or a tradable pair that you can trade the past or the coming weeks. Okay, so do trade with care on dollar yen. Let's go to it in 1 hour and see how the market is building there. Okay, right, on 1 hour, what you need to do, we are having this trend. We'll be waiting for it to be broken. Okay, this can give you an up move there to come and expose that roof, then we'll expect a aggressive move, then a 1 2 3 structure, then a down move. Okay, that down move to come and take that floor. Okay, we'll be expecting for our first TPs to be exposed there. So do trade with care on dollar yen. Then we'll go to our last pair, that will be dollar ZAR trading room, guys. Okay, let's go to a 4-hour time frame. And if you remember well, on our weekly outlook, guys, we said that if you are not in this buy from here, look for a pullback here, then an up move, come and expose that roof. Okay, so the market did push aggressively. If you're not there, you missed out, guys. Okay, if you're not in the buy here, even here, you missed this buy. So what next now? We'll be expecting the price to pull back on 61 Fibonacci or 50%. Then we'll be looking for another up move there on dollar ZAR. We'll go to a daily time frame and see why we are expecting this move to happen on dollar ZAR. Okay, right, we're expecting the price to give us 1 2 3 touch. Okay, then from here we'll be expecting a drop on dollar ZAR. So from now on, we did test this floor, then the market moved aggressively. So now we'll be expecting this drop again, then an up move to complete the pattern that we have there. Okay, so do trade with care on dollar ZAR. So we'll see you again, guys. Do follow us, do subscribe, do share.